I just want to start this video on mutual ground and so we can settle this amicably, because these few days now I've been receiving calls. People have been calling me, and people have been talking to me, even people that I don't know, that they follow me, and people that follow the other side. Some of them do call me and they will say, yes, I'm your enemy, but this is what I think I would advise you. Oh no, man, you know, and sometimes you don't follow advice, you make a lot of mistakes, and that doesn't mean that I'm guilty what I'm about to do right now. Please help me and share this video, because this will be the last time I will discuss about this. This will be my last video on this topic, and I'm saying it from the depth of my heart. I know within me, I know I'm innocent. I didn't do anything that these people labeled against me. But I have to start from Maryam Shu. I received a lot of call on her behalf yesterday. And you can also tag this video to Maryam Shu. Maryam Shu, I never wronged you from the day one. You are the one that wronged me. You are the one that threatened me. You are the one that said all manner of things and that reciprocated. So I replied in a way that every other person should. But I want to use this media at this point to send my apology to you. I am sorry if I have ever called you all manner of names, if I have ever called you all sort of names. I am telling you that I'm sorry. In any way that I have offended you, in any way that I have done wrong, that it really hurts you, I am really sorry. You know, even the ones you say to me, I don't need you to apologize to me, but I have already forgiven you, to tell you that I came pure. You know, it's like when people start telling me this, the people felt like, Ogechi, I'm the bad person. I am not the bad person. And there's another thing that I want to say. This apology I'm rendering, I didn't tell you guys to withdraw your courts or anything. Serve me the paper, I will answer you all. Oh no, I'm going to answer. Even if I'm there, I'm not there. I will swear an affidavit for somebody to represent me. What matters is my evidence. You know, if they find me guilty, they will find a way to bring me back to Nigeria. But if they had not find me guilty, I think I have every right to send someone. Because of my condition, I may not travel to Nigeria at the moment, or because of my school, I may not travel to Nigeria at the moment. But if you guys send me the court order, I am going to answer you. So Maryam Shu, anywhere that I've insulted you or the wrong naming on anything, I am sending you this apology from the depth of my heart. But what you make bag that oton wala mjiri mepono bogi or wago kumeregi, you couldn't sleep at night, or maybe every morning gina you think about Ogechi, or maybe get no, this woman can never forgive her, or maybe she, oh my God, you are this weak or this. On Facebook, I am saying that I'm sorry. Anybody, my fake account, my nice account, however, major Mama Canada, I am saying that I'm sorry. Despite the talking about because Mande Kembaragi anyhow. Ashimgi, I am sorry. Some of us, we are stubborn. So, ndo will feel Luguni in with Bamji because Ashi may have the home. Mbaharagadi.
I want to like Ogechi. I watch it on this video for the sake of your mental health. Emma, Ogechi Jibiowa. The very strong. I'm being sincere to you. Mother Lady Jibiowa, I will more here just decide they fight. Ogechi with very strong spirit. Very strong. I'm telling you. Ihe onye ahụ stand igoro. Ihe oge stand igoro. O nwere ike ihe ahụ mee ị gaghị stand nwe. Ịma dibiole. Ejigoro pisha ega mechakwa ogbara mkpala yet ọkwụkwa enwere this special this spirit obu we bi ụwa o nwere one special grace o nwere And that is why ndị niile a na-achụ ya nọ, if you are not careful, you make mistake. Chete mbọsị ahụ emere arrest. Akwenye na gọvanọ eziokwu mere mistake. That day, ihe niile turns against him. That day emere arrest. Gọvanọ eziokwu kwuru okwu dada okwu. Mee mistake kwutere ndị Biafra. Ihe niile ahụ turns against him. I don't know whether you are getting me. Anyways, Ogechi very strong. And you decide they na fight here or in a war, you have to be very careful. You are very careful. And when they were just special grace, those grace he had very special. Ogechi is one of them. And being sincere to you, Otena full with the case in Otena. One person naturally mmụọ ahụ ji bi ụwa dị very strong. Ọmasị gị ekwere, ọmasị gị ekwena. Mmụọ ji bi ụwa dị very strong. And then na fight ya, you be very careful. If not, ị ga na-enwe problem. Ị ga na-enwe problem. Nya ahụ dị ya n'akara aka. Ị ga na-enwe Ogechi decide ewu dibịa ime ihe eze nwanyị. Ọgwụ Ogechi kere, that is ọgwụ okere. Before you went to dibia ya togwa, to yara. I'm telling you, and the konya, as in Ohadrigis, in with the muye. Again with the muye, Ogadrigis. Igotara, Ogadrigis. More GPO were the very strong. What the very, very strong, on all the stubborn. More the stubborn, on him oji, on a hebuza choku. Egotara ọ na ị na-agwa onwe gị eziokwu ị ga-ama na ọ naghị ebu ụzọ achọ okwu pụta ịchọ ya achọ mmụọ niile aha esoro bịa gị ọgụ. I don't know but spirit that lady dị very strong. Spirit ye dị very strong.